we are headed to Mayaguez for the weekend, which is on the other side of the island. We have a friend there who's having a 50th birthday party, so we're going to drop by and be a part of all that. And we're going to stay one night over there somewhere. I forgot exactly where. It might be a little south. Oh, BOQUERON, I think. I'm totally mashing the name, I'm sure. But it's this cute little town near the beach. At least I think that's where we're staying. We'll find out. And then the next morning, we're going to swing back by Rincon to see another friend that we have there and go to brunch at this really cool place that I've seen online. It's an Airbnb. You can stay there. It's called the English Rose, I believe. But apparently they also do a killer brunch with a mountaintop ocean view that sounds amazing. So we're going to check that out. So anyway, that's what we're up to. Come along and join us. So we are driving to Mayaguez. Well, look around. We're totally in traffic, stuck around Isabela because I guess a lot of people live here. The drive's been pretty normal, actually. You know, you see some down poles, some traffic lights don't work, but you know, essentially, yeah, and the place looks a little more beat up, but it looks pretty normal. So we'll keep going. We're here at our friend's house and we're gonna go to the party now. Woohoo! We spent the night at the Aquarius Vacation Club in BOQUERON. The next morning we went to check out the pool and take a walk on the beach. Yeah. There we go, push. So you can just pull out your yacht and go for a ride. You did. You're like, oh, we can't get out this way. Yes, we can. So that's the path to town. Actually, we could just go to town. Maybe there's coffee there. Let's do the beach first. I think this is the allure of this place, is the location. Look, it's a manatee area. Little pigeons.
I did not know you.
So we are on the beach in BOQUERON. Our little hotel that we're staying at is right next to the beach, which is pretty awesome because you can just walk right out the gate and be here and see all this. It's lovely. And of course, Cutie Pie is bored out of his mind. He's just not a beach person. Anyway, there's also a little, what do you call it, a canal, a little bridge that you can go across to get to town. And town here is really kind of cute. There's a little main strip area with a bunch of restaurants. On the weekends it really comes alive. You can sit in like a little, I don't know, hole-in-the-wall place and drink Coronas and have deep fried food. And it's pretty nice. And then you get to do this. Walk on the beach in the morning. So we're just gonna do that. If shells were bitcoins, we'd be rich. So this little hut right here on the corner is a great place to have a beer and pinchos. Right there by the water. On the right, turn right. Swimsuit shops. On the left, boarded up shops. Soul food on the right. Little tourist shop on the left. This place really wakes up at night. Yeah, that's it. That was BOQUERON. All right, time to hike.